In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix personal hotspot not showing on your iPhone. If your personal hotspot option doesn't show in your iPhone settings, simply head into your settings. As you can see, I don't have the personal hotspot option too. To enable your iPhone hotspot, you will have to select the mobile data option. Then tap on Mobile Data Network. On this page, scroll down onto the last option of Personal Hotspot. You will have to type in your APN first. For my case, I will just write 123. You will have to add in your own APN. Then proceed to username. Still I'll add in my preferred username. You too will put in any username of your own choice. Then lastly you will add any password. Make sure to not forget what you have filled in. Tap on Reset Settings. Then confirm by clicking on Reset. Your personal hotspot will appear back in your iPhone settings. That's how easy it is to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.